Boy, it is nasty out in some parts out to the west of us. Doug, how's it looking now as this front comes through?
Yeah, we're still tracking those severe storms right now in the parts of northern Fauquier County, as well as Loudoun County, eastern parts of Clark and Warren counties, too. Big time storm there. Also storms in the parts of Maryland. And look at this, some new storms developing south and west of Fredericksburg. If you're in and around Fredericksburg, Spotsylvania County, those storms are moving your way very, very quickly. Let's take a look at the strongest storm here. This is the storm that has prompted the severe thunderstorm warning. This warning until 6 o'clock. It includes parts of Clark County, Warren County, and then in towards Loudoun County and extreme northern Fauquier County north of Marshall, right along 50 here. So heads up in this area around Bluemont. Let's go ahead and zoom on in. I'll give you a couple other towns here. I got to put this actually in some play mode to show you what I'm talking about. But I'll show you this as we move on through. Here's the storm right here that I'm watching in through Bluemont, in through the Middleburg area, just to the east of Middleburg, or west of Middleburg rather. So heads up there. More storms around Frederick and down towards Gaithersburg, zooming on into the Gaithersburg region, in towards Montgomery Village. Some big time storms there as well. A lot of very heavy rain, some lightning. This is not where I'm expecting to see the strongest winds, though. This is mostly going to be very heavy rain right now along Rockville. This is 270. Always a mess this time of day? Yeah, you know it's going to be a mess out there now. So if you're expecting some loved ones to come home anytime, yeah, give them a little bit of extra time. Here's the line itself. This is from the cold front that continues to push off to the east, bringing with it much cooler temperatures as we make our way towards the next couple of days. Let's focus on Irma and show you what the latest is here. Still an incredibly impressive storm and an incredibly dangerous storm starting to impact the Leeward Islands right now. You've got the U.S. Virgin Islands here. You've got Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, all under hurricane warnings. This storm making its way towards the east or towards the west at 15 miles an hour, 185-mile-an-hour winds. We have not seen that since 2005 in the Gulf, where you had Hurricane Katrina, Hurricane Wilma, and Hurricane Rita all reaching that status. 175 miles an hour right around Puerto Rico. We're going to be watching that very closely, and then making its way towards Cuba, possibly on shore of Cuba. The more it comes on shore, the weaker it gets on the other side, but moving in towards possibly southern portions of Florida, where they are expecting to be watching this one over the next couple of days. Amelia has been watching this too to kind of put Irma in a little bit of perspective for you.
Irma is truly a historic storm. Here's a few facts and figures for you. This is the strongest storm ever in the Atlantic. Its maximum winds are at 185 miles an hour, and evacuations are already set to begin tomorrow in the Florida Keys. Now, you always hear us talk about the categories of these storms, so it's a good reminder of the scale that we use. It's called the Saffir-Simpson scale, and it was designed in the 70s. It only takes into account a hurricane's sustained wind speed. Category 5 storms have sustained winds of 157 miles an hour or more. There's no such thing as a Category 6 hurricane or higher. Now, there have been 35 Category 5 hurricanes in the Atlantic since 1924, and 3 that have made U.S. landfall as a Category 5. They include the Labor Day hurricane of 1935. You then have Hurricane Camille making landfall in 1969, and Hurricane Andrew happening in 1992. Take a look at how impressive the damage was from Hurricane Andrew. You can see signs just flapping in the wind. There was numerous damage reported to homes, especially in the Miami area. Whole neighborhoods just leveled. But the good news, the death toll was relatively low, and that's because there was enough advanced warning, and more than 1 million people were evacuated. As we said, evacuations are already being planned in Florida from Irma, so hopefully folks will heed the warnings and prepare now.
Yeah, and they're already doing that down towards Florida. Now, as far as our weather the next couple of days, 73 tomorrow, a good chance for some rain, and then much nicer weather. Look at Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, all looking great. But we continue to track Irma here early next week.
Thank you, Doug. We are following some breaking news out of Fairfax County. A tour bus caught fire, creating a mess on I-66 at Nutley Street in Vienna. These are live pictures of you can see the flames are out, but boy, did that thing get torched. No word on any injuries, but that is a mess there. It's a mess there on a good day. Now it's even more of a mess.
We'll have much more coming up at the top of the hour on that story. Some students in Prince George's County will be walking into a brand new school tomorrow, and when they do, they'll get an immediate history lesson. The new Fairmont Heights High School replaces a building that dates back to the segregation era. Bureau Chief Tracy Wilkins talked to students new and old about the building's bright future.